Welcome to Super Serrah's family vlog.
It's a family day, Serrah?
Yeah.
And what are we going to do on the family day? Where are we going?
A place that we have seen a rainbow before.
Oh, which place
Niagara
is
Falls.
You're going to Niagara Falls?
It's a 2-hour drive.
Wow, so let's go, Serrah. It's not that cold today, right? Not really that cold.
But it is a lot of water.
Yeah, that's a little bit of snow, little bit of ice, little bit of water.
Yeah.
Come, hold my hand. Let's go. Come, Serrah, let me open the door for you. Oops. All right. So we'll meet you in we'll meet the vlog in Niagara Falls now.
Yep.
All right.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, Serrah, you reached.
Yep.
Have you reached Niagara Falls?
Yep.
Whoa, that's Niagara Falls right there. Well, you want to go now?
Yep.
Come, let's walk.
We're going to the falls? Alright.
So, Serrah, you're entering the falls. You ready to go?
Yeah, look at this.
Oh, look at the lights, Serrah. Oh, look at the lights. Oh, look at the heart. You want to stand in front of this?
Yeah.
Okay, let me take a picture. Oh, look at the lights on top, Serrah.
They're like snow falling.
Yeah, it's like snowfall. How does it go?
It goes like this.
Oh, wow. Zoom, zoom.
And not
Look at that water going, Serrah.
And there's even some smoke. There's even some smoke.
It's not smoke, Serrah, it's mist.
Ah, man.
Yeah.
Like
Let's go.
Like the Frozen 2 movie of Elsa.
Like Frozen 2 movie?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry.
Serrah, isn't that nice?
Yeah, our rainbow
Yeah, that's a rainbow, Serrah. That's a rainbow.
Last time when we came here, we saw a big rainbow.
Yeah, but can you see the rainbow right now?
Yeah, it's in the water.
Yeah, it's in the water there. There's the rainbow. Serrah, can you see the water going? Can you see that, Serrah?
Yeah.
Whoa.
You could surf those things.
Water is so fast, Serrah. Whoa. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah. But don't drop yourself.
I'll not drop myself. You take care of yourself.
That should be the Olympics surfing game
Olympic surfing game.
challenge.
Oh, you want to surf here?
No, not me. I want to see the people that have joined the Olympics.
Oh, you want people who are in the Olympics to do surfing here?
Yeah.
Okay. going?
The bird kingdom.
To the bird kingdom? Awesome! Are you gonna see birdies?
Yeah.
Good job. Are you inside the bird museum? Oh wow. Oh. Sir, look at these.
Wow.
Whoa. What are these? I don't know.
They're like decoration stuff.
Oh. See, sir, that's how Niagara Falls used to look like.
Look, I have something to show you of
What?
my favorite. This unicorn over there.
Okay.
Oh, and that's a fairy.
That's a fairy?
Yeah.
Alright, come. Sir, that's an Egyptian mummy.
Wow.
Egyptian mummy. Isn't that wonderful? Come, sir, let's go.
You go first.
I go first. Annie Taylor. Oh, Queen of the Mist. Sir, she's Annie Taylor. She's Queen of the Mist. Whoa. That's a daredevil barrel.
Whoa, we're Easter.
Those are Easter eggs? So many eggs.
The biggest.
What are
Oh
these?
my gosh, I would want some.
Largest is an ostrich's egg.
Oh, I would want some.
Is that a bat skeleton? No, that's a wild turkey. That's a bat skeleton.
Whoa.
Oh. Sir, is that a snake?
Is it real?
No.
It's like in the Jungle Book, Serrah. Oh, that's a goose, Canadian goose. That's a fish. Oh, it's too dark in here. Oh, what is this? It's like thunder. It's like thunder clouds. Thunder clouds. Hi, buddies. What are you?
They're following me.
How does a birdie do? Oh, good job. Is that a tortoise? He's sleeping. Oh, that's a tortoise. See, Serrah, that's tortoise's food. What's he eating? Cabbage? Serrah, those are also tortoises. They're all going towards the light. They think it's the sun. That's a tortoise. Whoa. That's a bearded dragon. Whoa. Bearded dragon. Oops. Sleepy dragon. It's a laughing kookaburra. What is it? Laughing?
Laughing to blah.
Bugura bugura. That's another tortoise. What's he doing? That's a yellow tortoise. Yeah.
Lift me up. More. Oh my god.
What is that, buddy? Sitting out in the open.
Oh my god.
That's a star, Serrah. Yeah. Which one is that? That's that's pepper, Serrah. That's pepper. Oh, look at that one. That parrot.
This image like this with the two balls.
He's waving. Serrah is waving.
She's going to tell him to do.
She is waving again. Hi. Hi.
He's talking.
He's got a treat. Serrah, where are we going now? Where are we going, Serrah? To the bird kingdom? This is the exit. Is it over?
No, it can't be over.
This is the second floor, Serrah. We need to enter from here. Okay, let me open it. Oh, look at the birdies. Oh. Serrah, is that a waterfall? Small waterfall?
I wish I could go in there.
You wanted to go inside the waterfall? Whoa. Oh, there goes the birdie. Serrah, is that the bird's nest? That's the bird's nest, this one. That's the bird's nest. There's a small birdie.
Oh, sorry.
That's the birdie's bummy. Oh. Look at the white one, Serrah. They're two friends sitting together. Hello. Oh. Look at this orange one, Serrah. Serrah, that's the bird's nest. It's a small birdie house. Serrah, look at the yellow one.
Cute. Look at this orange one.
That's the same one that came in front. Huh? Where's the tortoise?
There. Sitting up there. Maybe it's all down inside.
What are you doing, tortoise?
Yeah,
Where are you going? That's the birdie. There's so much of nature here. Oh, that's the orange beard birdie. It's got a yellow and red head. Serrah, is that a waterfall? Yeah, it's for the birdies to drink some water. Yeah.
blue one. Look at the blue one. What is he trying to do? He wants to
Trying
go
to
down.
dive.
Yeah, he wants to go down, but he's going by the pole.
I think he's using the stairs.
He's using his beak to hold and go down.
Oh my god, that one. Ever.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Zoom out. The orange one is drinking water now.
So something fell into the water. He's trying to eat that.
Oh.
His beak is trying.
What are these? Lorikeet. Now focus. Go, Serrah! Where are you going? You're going into the nature. You're going into the nature, Serrah. Whoa.
Look at all this white stuff.
Yeah, the blue and the... Yeah, look at the blue one, Serrah. It's cute?